Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw silver-tailed Ironclaw from Dragon Rescue Riders. So grab your marker and follow along with me. First thing, we're going to start with the horn on the nose. So we're going to draw an A going across, and right next to the A we're going to draw nostrils on both sides, and we'll color the nostrils in. Now from the sides of the nose we're going to start with the eyes. I'm going to make two curvy lines out, and this is going to be eyelashes on both sides. And right beneath that, we're going to draw the eyes. And from there, we're going to draw the pupils with the light reflections as we always do. Let's color the pupils and the lashes in. Now right above, we're going to draw the head. We're going to make it nice and round, connected to the eyelashes. And right here I'm just going to make two little lines for interest. And now we can go to the horns. So on this side of the head, I'm going to draw a horn. We're going to take it up and above, and we'll do the same on the other side. And now we can go to the side of the face. So on both sides I'm just going to make two little lines down. And right below I'm going to make a mouth. Right there. And I'm going to leave open spaces. I'm going to make a little curvy line on top. And then from here I'm going to draw a tear shape. And you can draw another tear shape here as well. And then between the tear shapes you're going to draw the bottom jaw. Then we're going to make a little bit of folds, little folds here on the horn as well. And now we can draw another tear shape. So on the side here I'm just going to draw another tear shape down, and I'm going to draw another one like this. And let's do it on this side as well. And then another one here as well. There we go. Now between these tear shapes I'm going to make a breast area, like the chest. On the sides of the head I'm going to draw two little horns, one below, and I'll do the same on this side as well. And now we're going to go down and we're going to draw the legs. So on both sides I'm just going to draw two little curves down, and then I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to draw 3 toes, bring it back, and then from here we draw a leg, and we can draw 3 toes. There we go. On this side there is a toe sticking out on the inside. You can do that. Then on the other side let's do the same thing, and we're going to draw 1, 2, 3 toes. You're going to take it back, and we'll draw the 3 toes there as well, and a little line up. Now we're going to draw a tail coming to this side like this, and we're going to draw the inside toe as well. There we go. Now at the sides we're going to draw the hind legs. So I want you to draw 2 little folds, and then you're just going to draw the little back legs as well, with a toe right there, and we'll do the same thing here as well, with another toe right there. Great, and now it's time to draw a tail. What I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line in front of the toes, going up with a little curve, and I'm going to stop there. Now the tail is going behind the legs, and I'll just connect it like that. Then from here I'm going to draw the tail, and I'm going to stop right there because I want to draw a few, I'm going to make just a few lines like this, and then I'm just going to draw triangles, because this is, it looks like little horns on the tail. And then from here I'm just gonna bring this all around, make it nice and round, and maybe from there, and we connect it, draw a few horns up there. Great, and there's the tail going around. And now we can draw the wings. So what I'll do, I'm gonna draw draw something like this. and then let's do the same on this side as well. This is going to be the wings, and I'm just going to draw a little V and another V right there. Now from here I'm going to draw a little bone going down like this, and I'm going to take the bone back and I'm going to connect it, and then from here I'm going to draw the inside of the wing. Alright, and then let's do it on this side. So we're going to take this wing, take it all the way around, take it back, connect it. Great. And now we're going to draw the outer wing. So right here on top I'm going to draw two teeth sticking out, and then from this side I'm going to draw another bone going down all the way down, then from there another bone, take it all the way down. Let's do the same on this side, taking it down, and another bone here as well. There we go. And then on top of the bone some hooks. And maybe a last hook there, and let's do the same on this side as well. And another one there as well. Perfect. And let's complete the wing. Let's do the same on this side. There we go. And there is Silvertail Ironclaw. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.